Let us understand the step-by-step process of generating a GSTR to A to B mismatch report in StrategicERP. Navigate to the Statutory Management module. Select the company and financial year. Select the GSTR to A to B form. Select the GSTN number for which report is required. Select the month and year of the report. Click on Upload to Generate to be JSO file from the GST portal. Upload it in the GSTR to A to B form. Save the entry and select it from the drop-down. Navigate to the GST return form under the Statutory module. Select the GST number, month and financial year. Go to the GSTR to A to B tab. You can download to B and to a mismatch report in Excel format. The GST report will show the Excel file of the number of matched bills and unmatched bills. The unmatched bills will be highlighted in red. The process of generating a GSTR to A to B mismatch report is now complete.